Hi, another great tool and formula for gases. It's our density of gases. Now, I'm not going to take the time to derive this. You could look it up in a textbook, and sometimes it's confusing for students. Some of you may love math and really gravitate to this, so I'm going to give you the foundation of it, and you could derive it yourself. It's actually really, really easy. We take the ideal gas law with density. So PV equals nRT. Density is mass over volume. And then we know that moles equals mass in grams divided by molar mass, grams per mole. You can see grams divided by gram per mole gives you moles right there. Well, if I use these three, we end up substituting mass over volume inside of here, replace the N with mass over molar mass. We can rearrange that whole formula to be density equals pressure times molar mass divided by gas constant times temperature. So pretty neat. We can find the density of a gas. So let's write down a couple of notes on this just so you know what you're plugging in. So D, be really careful. This is the density of the gas. This formula only applies to gases. Density of the gas. If you're writing this down, it's important. Remind yourself this is only for a gas. P is going to be pressure. And because we have the gas constant, it has to be in ATM. That big M, I'm sorry, that chemists chose M for so many different variables. This big M represents molar mass. So this is what we get off of the periodic table. And the unit on that is grams per mole, grams per mole. R, of course, is your gas constant. And that is going to be the 0.0821 ATM times liter divided by mole times Kelvin. And then T, there's your temperature, which has to be in Kelvin. Now I want to show you how these units work out. If I have ATM times grams divided by mole, great big divided by ATM times liter divided by mole times Kelvin times temperature, which is Kelvin. Watch what happens to these units. ATM cancels, mole cancels, Kelvin cancels, and we'll be left with gram per liter, which is what? Density, right there. Pretty powerful. So your unit on this density is grams per liter. Grams per liter is how that's going to come out. Okay, so once you have this and you can get everything labeled, it is a very straightforward plug and chug. Thank you. Have a good day.